Hello, fellow humans. So I just woke up, and the whole family just woke up, and I will be documenting what our daily schedule looks like in the midst of being socially distancing or socially isolated. Social distancing? Social isolating? Same thing. So we will be filming what our schedule looks like. Hopefully this gives you some ideas on how to structure your day. So of course, the first thing first, what is the first thing we gotta do?
By the way, just want to say,
What's the first thing?
Happy St.Patrick's Day.
That's right, Happy St. Patrick's Day! Happy St. Patrick's Day! The first thing we gotta do?
Brush teeth.
Brush teeth. What's the first thing we're gonna do?
Brush teeth.
Yeah, alright. Let's get to it, family. So we are basically following this schedule. I found this on Facebook. So we just brushed teeth. And now I'm going to be making breakfast. And I'm going to have everybody make their beds. I'll actually probably do that first. Alright, what is the second thing?
Oh, make our bed. Yeah.
Make our beds. Alright, so the second thing on our list is to make our beds.
Are we doing school yet?
Not yet, we're making our beds.
So, we're making
All right.
our bed.
Can you help me?
Wait.
Can you help on this side? I got this side.
Ah.
Alright, so
Hayden's got it because he only has one thing.
our beds are all made.
Mine's not made.
It's getting there. I always like having these frozen mangoes in my fridge. What I do is I put it in a container and I put it in the fridge and it thaws overnight and then it just tastes like regular mango. And then for breakfast, I'm gonna have banana bread. And then I'm going to put some of this mixed nut butter on. This has like a lot of seeds in it, so it has a lot of really good protein. So I'm just gonna have a super simple meal. Have a banana bread, some mangoes, all right, so we are starting our day off with a really simple but nutritious breakfast. Got our good protein, our banana bread, our fruit and vitamins. And make sure that you get your vitamins in, especially right now where a lot of people are staying inside. I always have my vitamin D. You want to take about 2,000. That's the amount I take. Definitely do not take any more than that, because you can like overdose on vitamin D. You don't want to do that. 2,000 is the perfect amount. So make sure you get your vitamin D in. It will make you feel a lot better, put you in a better mood. And vitamin D is great for warding off illnesses and boosting your immunity. So, bottoms up. And even the kids take their vitamins. I get these Sunny gummies because I want to make sure that they're getting their vitamin D.
Oh,
Right?
these are healthy gummies.
Those are healthy gummies?
Mm-hmm. Take yours. Thumbs up. I don't do that.
You don't do that? All right, so next we're gonna do a little bit of art time. So since today is St. Patrick's Day, I decided that we are going to create a little St. Patrick's Day photo booth and take some St. Patrick's Day pictures. So I think that will be really fun for the kids. So I printed some pictures off. So I just Googled St. Patrick's Day printable photo booth props. And what I did is I saved the image and then I just put it in Microsoft Word and I printed it to the size I want. So we have a bunch of props. We are gonna glue these to cardboard and then we're gonna tape them on a stick. All right, so we are going to cut out our pictures. All right, so mine's done.
One of mine.
Yours is done? Good job.
This beard is too hard.
Okay, I want you to do something else. Now that we have all our pieces cut out, we are going to take these and glue them on some poster board so that they're not so flimsy. All right, Aiden, why don't you start?
Yeah.
So we're going to take a glue stick and we're going to glue our pieces on our cardboard.
Around it and inside. There we go. Stick these on that.
And we are going to glue all our pieces on our cardboard. Right? Now it's Sam's turn.
Come on. Okay. I got a little bit on there.
It's okay. All right, so we have all our pieces glued on our poster board and now we are going to cut them out. I'm gonna give one out. Alright, so we're going to cut out our pieces.
Now they're hardened so they don't go flippity flop while we're trying to take a picture. Ah, yeah. We put it on. Now, this paper been hard.
So now we have all our props cut out. We are going to tape some sticks to them.
Which is the best part. Then you
So I want to give you a little tip. If you're taping the sticks on the left sides of your hat, you want to tape the stick on the right side of your glasses. So you can hold up your hat with the left hand and then hold up your glasses with the right hand. And for stuff like beards, you can put it right in the middle. So for stuff like ties, you can put the stick right in the middle. All right, so I'm going to show you. Just gonna. So I'm just gonna use some Scotch tape. Use a couple pieces. I like to go all the way down to the bottom. And there you have it. All right, so it's all done. Let me check it out, Aiden. Very nice. Sam, you want to try out the hat?
And then it's gonna be my turn to put it down.
Good. Try that. There you go. Very cool.
Now you got the
All right, here we go. Check it out.
We're done.
And then we are going to test these out by doing a little photo booth session.
Yep.
And after all that hard work, I think it is time for lunch.
And I want to have.
Because we are hungry. So I'm cooking the boys' lunch. I'm also using this time as a little quiet time since we just spent a whole bunch of time together. Mama needs some quiet time. So as I'm cooking lunch, I sent each of them to different rooms for them to have a little bit of quiet time so I can have a little peace while I'm making some lunch. Whew. All right, guys. Man, this staying at home is not super easy. I'm feeling like I need a nap now. So we had some lunch and we had about 30 minutes of quiet time where I worked on my computer and the kids had a little TV time. And now...
I had video game time.
Video game time. And now we are going to do some schoolwork. So it's around 2. We'll probably do schoolwork for about an hour and a half. And then we'll have a little fun doing our St. Patrick's Day photo shoot. All right, so for our homework time, Aiden has a lot of online homework that the teacher sent, so he'll be working on the computer. Sam's school didn't send too much stuff. We just have this stuff, which is like saying the names of the week, read a couple books, count by 5s, just a couple of things. So I actually went and got him this kindergarten skills book. I got him this at Half Price Books. So I've been having him do a couple of these activities every day.
Yeah, I just need help with this one.
Yep.
I don't know what to do.
So we are going to spend an hour doing some activities from the book, and we'll probably read a couple books. And that will be our academic time. And then we'll have a little playtime, do our photo shoot, and then probably wind down for the day.
Yeah.
So now we are all set up
Oh no.
for the photo booth. Sam?
Sister, I'm an awesome sister. I'm an awesome sister. After me, it's you. Wait, do you already have your picture? Yeah, I did. No, I meant Mom. Jeez.
All right, guys, I am done. I'm exhausted. Oh man, and it's only 5 o'clock. So after our photo shoot, the kids went outside for an hour. And now Aiden is taking a shower and I'm just gonna give them some TV time. We're gonna have dinner, then we're gonna wind down for the day and read some books and go to sleep. And then start this all over again for the next 500 million days in home isolation. Yay! Oh Lord, help me. Help me. Oh, so you will slowly start seeing me going cuckoo. Man. It's been a long day, but we have kept busy, so I'm hoping to keep making videos about ideas that you can do when you're in home isolation. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and that little bell right next to it so you can join in on the fun and the journey that we are all doing together with this whole virus thing going around. All right, guys, see you on the other side of this.